Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser, and then evenly apply toner. I&RF reduces fine lines. Settings. Time 10 minutes. Energy level 3. Mode NOR. Gently apply eye serum around the eyes. Move the handle in circles under the eyes. Lift from under the eye to the temple with the handle. Lift the eyebrow with the handle. Lift from the eyebrow towards the forehead with the handle. EMS and EL enhances circulation and optimizes skin absorption. Settings. Time 10 minutes. EMS energy level 3. EL energy level 3. Apply some facial serum to the treatment area and spread it evenly. Move the handle in circular motions across 3 facial areas, glide upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Gently cleanse the face with a washcloth, then apply the toner. RF and suction lifts, tightens, and enhances skin elasticity. Settings. Time 10 minutes. RF energy level 3. RF mode NOR. Suction duration 5. Release duration 2. Suction intensity adjust according to individual endurance. Evenly apply facial massage cream across the face. Glide the handle across 3 facial areas, move upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Lipo laser contours and sculpts the face. Settings. Duration 20 minutes. Energy level 3. Mode M1. Secure the small laser pads on the chin with the strap. Activate the treatment and wait for 20 minutes. Take out the laser pads and remove the strap. Apply the facial mask and eye mask. Remove the masks and cleanse the face. Apply toner, serum, and cream.